This is a piano tutorial for the Christmas song Away in a Manger, and I'm going to show it to you first as a piano soloist. You'll be playing the melody in your right hand. This is in the key of F, which means you've got to watch out for one black key, B flat. And it only has 4 chords in it, so it's not that hard. I want you to start with your 5th finger on that C on the top. And at that point, when you get to that F, lift up your wrist, and you've got your thumb on F, and then put your 4th finger to get the rest of the way down. And right there, I want you to put your 3rd finger on that F. Then you lift up your wrist, put your 5th finger on C again. Watch out for that B flat there. Lift up your wrist and put your 4th finger there. And here you've got to go all the way up to that B flat, but I want you to do it not with your 5th finger because that's not going to help. It's kind of awkward. Put your 4th finger there. And 4th finger on G, your thumb on D. So that's the fingering for your right hand. It's always a good idea when you're working on fingering to make sure that you play it the same way each time, and that avoids making mistakes with that. We have 4 chords. We've got an F chord, and I'll walk you through it here because some of these chords we're going to have to invert in your left hand to avoid bumping into the right hand melody. That's going to be in root position on the 1st chord, F, A, C. That's your F chord. Now we've got to move our wrist down for this B flat, because your melody's right there. So that's going to be inverted. It's D, F, and B flat on the top. You don't usually put your thumb on a black key. You try to avoid that, but that's unavoidable this time. I want you to make that inverted on that F chord too to avoid overlapping there, so it's C, F, A. That C will be root position, C, E, G. Back to that F again, C, F, A. Right there, I want you to go out to root position there on stars in the sky, F, A, C. Watch out for B flat. And then you're right here. We're going to go down again with your B flat chord, D, F, B flat on that top. And your F is a C on the bottom, F and A. And there's your C chord in root position, B flat right there, C, E, G. F chord there can be root position. And then here we've got a G minor chord, and we're going to have to do it like this to avoid bumping into your melody. So it's D, G, and B flat.